Hello everyone, how are you? On the Prolynken YouTube channel, we have created another video showing how to place a very interesting backlink on a website that belongs to Google, and therefore it is a powerful link. The backlink is Dofollow with a domain authority of 100 and a page authority of 84. The site is called Blogger, which is Google's platform for creating a completely free blog. You do not have to pay anything per month, and you can publish your posts with no hosting costs. So we are going to open a blog here to write some articles and place links to our websites. But first, we recommend that you visit our website prolynken.com to become part of our community for exchanging backlinks with other webmasters completely free. How to open a Blogger account. The first thing you need is a Gmail email account. I assume you already have one. In Google, we can type Bloggerspot, and the link will appear in the first position in Google. We open an account using our Gmail email. Now we are inside Blogger. As you can see, Blogger is a blog management platform where we can write our posts completely free of charge. We go to Settings. Here we can adjust the rules we want our Blogger blog to have. What we are interested in is adding a link. In Edit Profile, we can add our URL link. You should keep in mind that this link will be nofollow, but even so, it is important to add it. You can even add it twice. It is a nofollow link, but you should complete all the fields in your Blogger profile. Blogger gives us the option to choose the theme we like the most. There are themes for travel, blogs, cooking, and many more. Take a look and choose the one you like the most. Blogger is very dynamic and you can adapt it to your needs. You can also include pages so that the blog has a good structure. We are not going to spend time on this because what we really want is to place a Dofollow link so that it adds value to our Google ranking. Now, let's write a new post. You can format the text with different fonts, bold text, and so on, just like in Word. It is important to write a text of more than 600 words, using H2 and H3 headings, so that Google can read and understand the content properly. Finally, we add a link inside the post. Try to place the link you are interested in as high up in the text as possible, not at the end. Then we click Publish. As you can see, it is a Dofollow link. It is a very important backlink because it comes from a website that belongs to Google. It is also a great indexing platform since Google will publish it in its search engine immediately. We invite you to visit our website prolynken.com to exchange backlinks with other webmasters. See you next time.